M1 Project AI is one of the newest AI software releases, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about M1 Project AI, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether this tool is right for you. And stick around because I'll also share how you can try M1 Project AI for free. First, let's dive into what M1 Project AI does. At its core, this tool is designed to streamline project management with the power of AI. It's geared toward helping teams manage workflows more efficiently, reducing the time spent on manual tasks, and offering advanced project tracking features. You can expect a combination of task automation, reporting, and resource management, all powered by artificial intelligence. Whether you're a freelancer or a large company, M1 Project AI is built to scale with your needs. Now, what makes M1 Project AI stand out? It's not just another project management tool. One of its strongest features is the AI-driven insights that help you predict potential project delays or roadblocks. This kind of proactive approach can be a game changer in project management, as it allows you to adjust and make informed decisions before issues arise. It's like having a virtual project manager on your team, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Another thing to note is the intuitive interface. One of the challenges with many AI-driven tools is that they can be difficult to learn. M1 Project AI, however, focuses on usability. The dashboard is clean, simple, and customizable, so you can set it up to meet your specific needs without a steep learning curve. Whether you're an experienced project manager or a beginner, the user experience is seamless. M1 Project AI also integrates well with other platforms you may already be using, including tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Trello. This kind of integration ensures that M1 Project AI fits into your existing workflow without disrupting your team's productivity. It's designed to work with the tools that you rely on daily, making it easy to plug into your routine. If you're concerned about the data security side of things, M1 Project AI does not cut corners. It offers enterprise-grade security features, including encrypted data storage and multi-factor authentication. Your data is in safe hands, which is crucial when dealing with sensitive business information. The reporting capabilities are another strength. M1 Project AI makes it easy to generate reports on project progress, resource allocation, and overall team performance. These reports aren't just pretty graphs. They provide real-time insights that help you make data-backed decisions, which is vital for any business aiming to improve efficiency. Lastly, the pricing structure is worth mentioning. While the software is feature-packed, it's also competitively priced. And here's the best part. You can try M1 Project AI completely free through the first link in the description. This gives you the chance to experience the power of AI-driven project management without committing to anything upfront. If you're serious about leveling up your project management game, this is a must-try software. And don't forget, I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and M1 Project AI is definitely one of the top recommendations you'll find in the description below. I've linked my favorite AI software in the description, so you can check them out for free as well. After using so many tools, trust me, these are the ones that truly stand out. Go ahead and give them a try. Who knows? They might just be what you need to supercharge your workflow. That's it for this review of M1 Project AI. Don't forget to try it for free through the link below and check out my other AI software recommendations.